Hi and welcome to 华文老师, the one channel for tips, tricks and insights to prepare for your Chinese exams. Today we are going to talk about oral preparation. When I have graduating classes, how I prepare them for their oral examinations and ultimately resulting in a 75% distinction rate in that class for oral exams. I'm going to teach you how you can replicate this process for oral exams. If you're keen to hear about this, stay on. Right at the beginning of the year, I rostered the class, and for every week, 3 students would present on a certain topic from different perspectives. The 3 students rostered to present will meet up with me for a mini consultation, split up the different perspectives the students will take to approach that certain topic. On the day of presentation, these 3 students would take turn presenting to the class. As they are presenting, the class have to think of questions, put themselves in the shoes of the examiner and ask the presenter. So the presenter really have to overcome this fear of speaking to the whole class, and also they have to be quick on their feet in answering the questions for the class. Everyone had in one point during the half a year to present in front of the class. So this really helped the students to overcome their fear of talking to a large crowd. Your oral exam stretches over 14 days and it could be 14 different topics. So the more you are exposed to different topics, the easier it is for you to be able to think on the feet, have something to say about any topics at all. And so now I'm going to introduce to you some steps to arm yourself with a lot of topics. Under 华文老师 YouTube channel, I have curated a list of videos with relevant themes that you can expose yourself to. So step 1, pick one of these videos to start off with. Step 2, make very simple notes with points and examples about the topic in that video. Step 3, ask questions about the topic from the perspective of the examiner. For example, if I met with this topic about how change of school time impacted students, I could ask myself things like, 为什么学校要延迟上课时间？延迟上课时间有什么好处和坏处？我们应该如何改善这个计划，让更多的学生受益。Step number 4, practice with your peers by asking each other questions and having each other to answer the questions comprehensively. By doing so, you are actually trying to think through things in this theme you can touch on. What kind of examples you can put in when you are trying to elaborate a point, and what kind of personal experiences you have that can tie into this theme and make your response interesting. Step 5, have small group consultation with either your peers or your teachers, so you can talk through these themes and also hear feedback and opinions on these themes. And step 6, I would recommend you record your own responses so you can play it back and review it to see what are your strengths and your area of improvement, so when you do your next topic, you can work on your strengths and work around your weaknesses to improve your oral presentation. After all, when we listen to ourselves speak, you really realize that there are things that we can fix. I'm going to post some videos where I use the playlist, draw up some summary points that you can follow with. Like, subscribe for more useful videos on oral presentations and catch my 2 other videos.